is the popular Latin phrase vox populi, vox Dei biblical? Well, not necessarily. Hindi nangangahulugan na yung tinig ng tao ay ang tinig ng Diyos. Okay? Hindi nangangahulugan na yung kagustuhan ng tao, yun ang kagustuhan ng Diyos. Na yung pinili ng masa, yun ang pinili ng Diyos. Again, so as for us not to be confused, remember that government power is from God. But men and individuals, they destroy, they ruin, and they distort that which is good that comes from God.